Welcome to the Magic Minute from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to Epcot to take in the seas with Nemo and Friends. We'll go under the sea, without getting wet, on this gentle ride based on Disney and Pixar's Finding Nemo, which finds Nemo lost again.
So much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
Where's Nemo? Swimming out the sea.
Oh, don't worry. Eyes overboard along the way.
Where?
That's Nemo.
What are you trying to find?
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
He's on the white stripes and looks like he was long. See who?
Looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish! Dory, do something!
Hey, Snappy Jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away! Watch out!
Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping! Stop fooling around!
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. One little more salt, mate. Fish are friends for food. Delicious little friends. I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo, what have you
Once your underwater adventure ends, you can encounter an ocean of fun in the Seas with Nemo and Friends pavilion. Get close up with clownfish, sharks, and more in the massive 5.7 million gallon saltwater aquarium they call home. Fun hands-on, or in this case, fins-on, activities teach your guppies about marine biology, sharks, and more. There's even a complimentary scavenger hunt where you help Dory find her friends during a self-guided scavenger hunt through the aquarium. Solve clues and collect stickers to complete this fishy mission, and learn fun facts along the way. Pick up your complimentary scavenger hunt booklet near the exit to the Seas with Nemo and Friends attraction. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.